What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kraton EXB 8S. I had to change the center diff gear out again, so I switched all of that. I rebuilt the diff because I don't know why it blew last time, but this time I just changed the gear and it blew out, so I just rebuilt the whole thing, and it's just the testing phase right here. Let's get into it. You can tell I got 100K in the center. I did have earplugs. In there. I should have kept them in there. Thought that might be the problem, but I'm not sure. Yo, this only 50%. Now we on 100%. I can barely see it. Yo, this thing is a beast. This thing rode over boulders and everything. Oh, my tire blew up. Knew that was gonna happen. Yeah, new location, new set of tires. I put the Power Hobby Scorpion tires on it. See how it will hold out. They're a lot bigger, wider, and heavy. Let's see how it handles. Yeah. These things, I don't know, man. I only got it on 50%. Only 50%. Going 100%. Oh yeah. It ain't. Definitely not gonna hold out. A lot better if I reglue them. And what I did to the differentials, when I put it back together, the reason why it blew out, because when I put it back together, I didn't tighten the diff housing. These screws was loose as heck. Oh! Look like I broke something. Yeah, third time. But took her in the shop, so I bent the chassis, broke the hinge pin, so I took it all apart, straightened out the chassis, had an extra hinge pin, so I ain't really do too much damage. Right now I'm just testing to see if it's gonna be, you know what I mean, if it's still on point, or did I mess something else that I didn't see, even though I looked over the truck very well. So let's get into it. It's a test drive. Yeah, these tires ain't working though. Tires are not working. Yeah, they. Hey, she cool. Seem like it's veering to one side though. Whatever side turning on. Oh, come on. Yeah, something up with that. Something wrong with the steering now. Yeah, she having another problem. Servo kind of weak now. I don't know what that's about. I think might be something I did, and then I got the balance plug right near the gear. I'm tripping, but must be something else broke. So this steering was fine. I'm gonna have to take it back, take this front end off, see what's going on. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.